Deanna, I want to ask you, you mentioned the oils, right? So what should our audience be cooking with for oils? What are your favorite oils for higher heat, medium heat, low heat cooking?
Okay, so wait till the cardiologist hears this. I actually recommend don't cook in any oil.
I love it. Great answer.
None. I don't like it. And here's why. What I learned from doing my doctoral research is that fatty acids they're going to break down in heat, light, and oxygen. Even if you have a high smoke point oil like grapeseed, avocado, all these, people think, oh, I just get an oil that can withstand that heat. It's been modified in some way. It's just not good. You're still going to get breakdown because every oil is comprised of different fatty acids. And so even though the majority might be okay and stable under high heat, there can be others that break down. And once you break down fatty acids, these become inflammatory compounds in the body. So here's what I say to do with oil. I use water. There's nothing better, I think, to conduct heat than water. I mean, that's even how we heat our home. We have radiant heat. We have water that goes through the system. The water gets heated. It generates that convection. Water works and it's not toxic. We cook in water. We poach in water. Not a lot, because then you'll lose nutrients, but just enough. And then at the end, you bring in your extra virgin olive oil. You bring in the oils that you want to seal it up and have the flavor. You may also want to have separately spices in oil that have been cooked, and then you add that into the dish. But I am not a fan of cooking with oil, not even coconut oil. I just don't think it's a good idea.
No, I agree. I agree 100%. And
coming from an Italian family, though, I sometimes have to saute some garlic and some onions and olive oil. That's that's what I do. But hey, sometimes it's okay.
Very low heat, less than
low
100.
Heat, very low heat.
Very, very low heat.